In this video, I'm going to share you everything about the Sigma AI platform, especially about the Linguistic Project that is available in multiple languages across the world. So if you are someone who speaks more than one language or you are just looking for an online flexible work from home project, so this video is for you. I will explain what is the Sigma AI, how the linguistic project works, the type of task, payout details and everything. So how to apply directly. So the link in the description, so make sure you check out and after watching video till the end. So first, let's talk about the what is the Sigma AI. So actually, the Sigma AI is a global data and artificial intelligence company that helps train AI models. They collaborate with big tech companies and the research organization. So basically, they provide the high quality data for AI models like voice recording, text translations, linguistic reviews. So when you are working with Sigma AI, you are actually helping improve languages based AI systems, things like chatbots, speak recognition, and machine learning tools. So now coming to the main part, the linguistic project. So this project focuses on the people who can read, write, or speak in different languages. So Sigma AI regularly hires freelancer as a part timer for a tasks such as the translation, annotations, review, recording. काफी सारे होते हैं. Okay, so I will show you. So you can see here are the lot of the languages available. Okay, so the good part is the support many languages, English, Hindi, Spanish, German. You can see on the dashboard. So it's based on the Indian languages. You can see Marathi, Marwari, Bhojpuri, and etc. Okay, so now let's quickly go over eligibility and the requirement. So you don't need any professional degree to join, but you should have a good command over the language, have a laptop, mobile device, and stable internet. So be able to follow the simple project guidelines. Some project may ask the short test or the qualification task. So don't worry, it's actually very simple, like a checking grammar or a translation or something, your voice and etc. Okay, so now let's talk about the payout. So which everyone wants to know. Okay, so I'm showing you this is about the Marathi language. Okay, so this is about the linguistic work. Okay, so this is for the Marathi language. You can see Marathi transcription test जो कि 5 मिनट का होगा. यहाँ पे आपको बस वो लोग आपको एक मेल शेयर करेंगे अप्लाई करने के बाद. सो यहाँ पे इंग्लिश का नॉर्मल टेस्ट होगा एंड द लास्ट वन इज द रीजनिंग टेस्ट. सो आफ्टर कंप्लीट द टेस्ट यू विल गेट अ मेल रिगार्डिंग द नेक्स्ट स्टेप. Okay, so this is the about the payout for the Marathi language. So I hope same बाकी languages का भी होगा as per similar. So this is the technical requirements. Okay, and the rate per projects you can clearly see 0.25 USD is something each minute for the audio. Here the lot of different payouts based on the job role. Okay, so you can read it, and this is the general terms. Okay, so it's not important, so I'm just showing you for the payout. Okay, now this is for the Marathi language test and the English language test. Okay, going back to the application, how to apply. Okay, so click on the apply link. So I'm applying for the Marathi language. So it's the same for the every language. So here are the some requirements. Okay, so it all basic requirements है. So but not mandatory is like a strong attention and a content. So it's important technical requirements. So यहाँ पे minimum 4 GB सबका इनका कुछ उतना है नहीं. Just click on the apply for the job. Okay, so I'm clicking for the apply for the job. So a base आएगा. So do you have होगा. So do you have Android phones, proficiency language के ऊपर, what is your nationality, full tax residency, first name, last name, email, phone, resume. रेज्यूमे जस्ट नॉर्मल यू हैव टू ऐड, ऐसा कुछ यहाँ पे बनाना नहीं है जो कि फुल टाइम जॉब के लिए करना है. सो फ्रीलांसिंग के लिए वर्क करता है नॉर्मल रेज्यूमे. सो एडिशनल फाइल एंड कवर लेटर्स तो कंपलसरी नहीं है. जस्ट क्लिक ऑन एंड सबमिट द एप्लीकेशन. ठीक है, तो सबमिट करने के बाद आपको कुछ ऐसा मेल आएगा. तो हियर इज द 3 लैंग्वेज टेस्ट, मराठी, English transcription test. This is an optional, but I will recommend. It's not time taking, just it will take 5 minutes, so complete it. And the listening test. Okay, so after complete the test, just submit your attachment. Okay, so उसके बाद आपको next step का mail आएगा. So that's it about this. So okay, this one is for the English language. So I'm just downloading the voice. Okay. So everybody who can't break the flower pot. Anonymous. 1 hour. Phone call. Names. No holds barred. ओके सो ऐसा कुछ 14 मिनट्स का रहेगा वॉइस या फिर कुछ डिफरेंट भी हो सकता है। वहाँ पे जो भी गाइडलाइंस रहेगी आपको फॉलो करके उसका ट्रांसक्रिप्शन या फिर जो एरर्स होंगे वो आपको गाइडलाइंस कंप्लीट करके आपको सबमिट करना है। देन यू विल रिसीव द नेक्स्ट मेल एंड यू विल गेट द ऑफर लेटर। Okay, so after that, your work will be start. So that's all for the today's video on Sigma AI and their linguistic project. It's a great opportunity for the student, freelancers, or anyone who wants to earn extra income online using their language skill. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and check the apply link in the description and to get started right now. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.